Hi everyone, today we're on Module 4 Fractions, Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 2. So turn to page 13 in your packet to follow along and take notes. All right, so getting started, here we have how many sets of 4 with how many remaining? Well, when it asks this, it's really nice to just put a little box around it. So we have one set of 4 and there are 1, 2, 3 that are remaining that did not make it into the set. Here now it says how many sets of 6 with how many remaining. So I'm going to put a little box around 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 sets of 6 and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 remaining. So here now, this is a fraction, an improper fraction. We have 7/4. I'm going to zoom in a bit so we can see this. So when you have a fraction, this line, the fraction bar, actually means division. So this is like doing 7 divided by 4. So when you rewrite it as a problem, you say 7 divided by 4. Well, we know that if we had a picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we would only have one set of 4, just like in the one we did above. So one set, so 1 times 4 is 4, and then 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer to that would be 1. The answer is up here, 1 remainder 3. So there is 1 with a remainder of 3. So what that looks like as a mixed number is we have 1 whole and there are 3 out of, and then we keep the denominator 4, 1 and 3/4. Okay, look at this next one. We'll do this one together too. This is 16/6. So 16 divided by 6. And again, remember, we did this picture up above. Okay, this is the same thing. Well, 16 divided by 6, 6 goes into 16 2 times. Well, 2 times 6 is 12, and then 16 minus 2 is 4. So we have a 2 with a remainder of 4. So you put an R for 4. So that is the same thing as 2 and then 4 over 6. Well, 4/6 can be simplified, so the whole number stays as 2, but if we divide the fraction top and bottom by 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3, 2 2/3 is our answer. This says each slice equals 1/6 of an apple. Write the improper fraction and the mixed number represented by all the slices. So we have, how many slices are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 slices. Well, remember, each slice equals 1/6 of an apple. So if you have 6/6, that would equal 1 whole. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 whole. So there's 1 whole apple. Okay, and then how many are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the improper fraction, remember these are 1/6 of an apple, so that's what the denominator will be, and there are 11 total. So then it says, what is the mixed number? Well, we know it is 1 whole, and then there is a remainder of 5 out of 6. So 1 and 5/6. All right, this says write each improper fraction as a mixed number in simplest form. So let's work through these together. So 14/5, 14 divided by 5. Well, we think about how many times is 5 going to 14. We can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15 is too much, so it goes in there twice. 2 times 5 is 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. So there is a 2 remainder 4. So the whole number is 2. Then the remainder is 4. And then remember the denominator is still 5, so 2 4/5. Okay, here we have 30 divided by 8. We got to think about how many times does 8 go into 30? Well, we can count by 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, too much. So it goes in there 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. 30 minus 24 is 6. So that means we have a whole number of 3 and a remainder of 6. So that would be 3, remainder 6 out of 8. Well, we keep that whole number. 6 eighths can be simplified though, because we can divide top and bottom by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 3 3/4 is all the way simplified. All right, let's go down here. 28 thirds. We would do 28 divided by 3. How many times does 3 go into 28? Well, if you know your multiples, we can think quick. Oh, 3 times 10 is too much because that's 30, but 3 times 9, 9 times 3 is 27, and we have a remainder of 1. So it would be 9, remainder 1. 9 is the whole number, remainder 1, and then we keep that denominator for thirds. All right, last one on this page for practice. 10 divided by 6. So 10 divided by 6. 6 goes into 10 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. We subtract that, we get 4. So 1 remainder 4, 1 remainder 4. So we would put 1 and then 4 out of the denominator is 6 still. Well, we can simplify. We can divide the top and bottom by 2, so the whole number stays the same as 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 1 2/3 is your answer. All right, so using symbols, here we have 22 fourths, which is 22 divided by 4. 4 goes into 22 5 times. We subtract it because 5 times 4 is 20. We have a remainder of 2. So we divide the numerator by the denominator. Write the quotient, right here, the answer, as the whole number part. And then write the remainder as the numerator of the fraction of the mixed number. So we've been doing that. The remainder becomes the numerator. Then the denominator of the fraction is the same as the denominator of the improper fraction. So it was fourths, so we just keep it as fourths. And then it says, if necessary, write the fraction part of the mixed number in simplest form. So 2/4 could be simplified to 1/2. So this would be your final answer. All right, you're going to complete page 15 on your own. If you are confused, please make sure to re-watch this video. Good luck.